This trick made my life easier. Now I only cook chicken legs this way. In a bowl, I'll add 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of water, and mix well. In another bowl, I'll add 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix well. I'll divide this mixture into 2 bowls. One of them will go together with the liquid mixture. And we'll mix it really well here. Now I'll place 6 chicken legs in a bowl, add 4 cups of Coca-Cola, cover, and let it marinate for 30 minutes. We'll use 6 potatoes. I'll cut out the inside of each one. And before I forget, tell me from which city you're watching us so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Michael Johnson from Los Angeles. I'm really glad you're enjoying our recipes. Then cut them in a spiral shape. And this is how it should look. After that time, we'll take them out and place them on paper towels to dry. This recipe turns out incredibly delicious. Make it at home and then come back to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Once that's done, we'll wrap each chicken leg with the potato skin, then dip it in the liquid mixture and after that in the flour. In a pan with hot oil, we'll place the chicken inside and let it fry until golden. Tell me what's your favorite chicken leg recipe. I'd love to know it. The result will exceed all your expectations. You're going to love it.